Hello and welcome to today's unboxing video. So in this video we are going to be unboxing the Logitech C270 HD webcam. So as you must be aware, ever since Corona has hit and people are working from home, a webcam has become sort of a necessity, whether it's for your child or whether it's for yourself to attend online meetings. So this is a 720p 30fps webcam from Logitech. What else have we got? Right, it's small, agile and adjustable, and it brings a whole new angle to video calling. That's at least what Logitech is claiming. It has a built-in noise reducing mic, which is pretty useful. As you can see, it's given some information over here. This has a 60-degree field of view and it has a mono microphone. The lens is standard, focus is fixed. So let's just go ahead and unbox this and open it up. Okay, we've got that. So there you go, as you can see, that's the webcam right there. So as soon as you open the box, you see the webcam. So the box sort of just opens up like that, and there you have it, there's the webcam. It's got a USB connector. And on the other end, there is the user manual, right? The user guide, the setup guide. So there you have it, folks. So there you have it. That was the unboxing of the Logitech C270 HD webcam. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.